Actually, what happened, I missed the ship, I mean that ferry. So just because of 2 minutes, my train came and I had to run to take the ship at 9:30 in the morning. But just I reached at 9:31, so the ship just started. So yeah, but the next one is in 1 hour. That's fine. So this thing gave me the opportunity to explore the other side of the city, where not many people come, like the normal tourists. They come and go to the other side and go to the salt, the rock salt cave and the viewpoints and the city, and then they stay or they go back to some other cities. But fine, so in autumn season, taking a walk like this is a bliss in itself. As you can see how clear the water is, just like I hope you guys remembered the video that I have made in Interlaken, beautiful city in Switzerland. So I remember there were two lakes. One was Lake Thun and one was Lake Brianz. The water there was as beautiful as it is here. So it reminds me of that place. It reminds me of Switzerland. So I'm going down a little bit. I don't know whether these things are permitted, but okay. This is no man's land and I can go. And you see how shallow it is here. And if you go a little bit in towards the center, of course, it becomes deeper. My chest is feeling light today. I don't know why. My chest is really feeling light. Feels like I have everything that I need in life. Everything that I need. And good thing is today is sunny. And it's not that hot. It's 10 degrees here. And the sun is up there. Unlike Vienna or Budapest, where the weather was a little foggy and cloudy. So yeah, that's it. So let's climb up back. We will be taking a ship to go to the other side of the lake. So that's the Hallstatt village. There is a way how you can go there by walk as well, but it's a long journey. Like you have to go this way and for 5 kilometers you have to walk. But so this boat is very convenient and easy to go if you are going to Hallstatt. You see the color of the leaves and the beautiful mountain. I think this is the most beautiful place in the whole trip of this Central Europe that I'm doing from 1 week. So I'll be boarding the ship now. So I'll just wait for my friend, then we will board this ship.
I've been crying all day 'cause I have big problems.
So finally I took the boat and going to Hallstatt village. That's the village. And the skywalk is over there. That's the top of Hallstatt, from where the whole Hallstatt is visible. And the salt mine, the rock salt mine, is way up there as well. So this is the ship. Very nice wooden interior and very comfortable. So I arrived in this beautiful village, Hallstatt, and as you all can hear the sounds of the bells from the church, which is over there. So it's announcing that it's 11. So 11 o'clock in the morning, and good morning from Hallstatt. It's a little sunny today compared to other days. So I have the full day here, so plenty of time to explore and experience everything in this beautiful village. From beautiful cafes to salt mines, crystal clear water, and of course the small and beautiful restaurants. Hallstatt as a village is not that big, but it has so many viewpoints. So I just got down from the boat and going towards the right of the city, and the opposite way from where the salt mine is, a rock salt mine is. So there are a few viewpoints to take some good pictures. First, we'll take some pictures and explore the city before I leave this place to go inside the cave, because the sun, the autumn sun, I don't know how long it will favor us. So that's a very important thing when you roam around in Europe during autumn or winter. If you get the sun, don't waste it. Use it, utilize it very efficiently. And yes, you see lots of people there. So that's that viewpoint from where that church is visible. I have actually seen many photos taken from that location, and which inspired me to come here. And I can see an aeroplane. See the number of people waiting to take a picture, and it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth the time. It's worth the money. This beautiful village is so picturesque. Like every corner of it, all the houses, all the restaurants, and wherever basically you look, everything is beautiful. I just wonder in winter how this village will look like, because there will be snowfall as well. And this is nothing but another restaurant. So now going towards that rock salt mine. That's the station from where that cogwheel train starts, and as you can see there is a rail line going up. It's very steep hill. I can see the one train that's going up. It's called cogwheel train. So it's not a ropeway, it has cogwheels. So if you see cogwheels, so you'll understand. Then it goes up over there. It will leave you there, and there is a viewing spot just next to it. And after that, if you walk for a few hundred meters, then that rock salt mine is there. That's the viewpoint where I'm going, and this is the village of Hallstatt from the top. So just 10 minutes back I was there, just next to the lake, and that's the village in the other side, and the Hallstatt village is somewhere down here. This place is surreal, man. So beautiful. There is this small restaurant, and here is this viewing platform, World Heritage View. This is a view recognized by UNESCO. So UNESCO has this kind of heritage viewpoints. In Switzerland there are things like this, and in other parts of Europe as well, and of course other places all over the world. This is amazing. I can't explain how happy I am feeling now. That's that cute little village. That's the one. And this is the viewing point. Definitely I'll take a photo. But before that, this video is for my family to watch it. That's the place, that is the church. So we took that boat from that location, and on the other side our train came there. We took that boat, came here, explored this village, and then came up.
I've been crying all day 'cause I have big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard. I just need to escape for a moment. Somewhere I've been hearing voices that guide me to my choices, but I never did.
So this is that viewing deck over Hallstatt. We took couple of photos, couple hundreds of photos here. And people are actually standing in the wrong location and taking photos, because from there only the mountains and the back are visible. But here, if you take the photo, you see the whole viewing deck is visible, and how beautiful it is, so high above the ground, and it's really amazing. It's evening. My tour to Salzburg ends here. It was fantastic to visit this village and experience the salt mine, the rock salt mine, which has a history of 7,000 years. So this was one of the best place. This is one of the best places that I have visited in Austria. So in case any of you are planning to come to Austria, this is the place that should be in your itinerary. So with that, thank you everyone for watching.
অটোমোটে সেট করে যায়
ভিডিওতে আবার ক্লিক কর।